will have 6 months to take depositions of their hydrogeologists, corporate officials, try to establish through that period of time that they were responsible for at least part of the contamination that exists under these properties. Then we'll be in a position to come back to the judge and ask her to find them liable for the appropriate remedy. Now, she did express, some skepticism as to what that remedy might be, and there may be a trial necessary to establish what the options are if Wolverine has to provide a permanent solution to that contamination problem, which we're now hopeful will occur after 6 months. I thought it interesting that Wolverine apparently doesn't know that the Plainfield system is well water too. Yeah. But so we're talking about well water here, whether it's an individual well or whether it's a well that has 24/7 management where it's tested continually, where we'll have the proper filtering for PFAS and other contaminants. That'll be the issue, and I'm confident that I can convince the court that municipal water is only a practical remedy here. You simply can't have these whole house filters just, for 100, 200 years. Where's the financing for that? Who's going to monitor whether they really are working? We had representations today by Wolverine, the shoe company, that they're working. That's not sufficient. So, I think local government will have to consider, even in the interim, whether we install some sort of regulatory ordinance that requires them to prove that they're working, and in a publicly transparent way, so that the media can look at the results of these filters, not just a lawyer standing up in court from a shoe company saying it's working. These are the kind of issues that I think once you peel the onion back a little bit, it'll be obvious that having all of that regulation occurring in one spot with professional workers at the Plainfield water plant is going to be the only practical remedy for the next 100, 200 years. I mean, we've lost the opportunity where you can just sink a well in this area and trust that it's clean. We've lost that. And so now are the residents better served by a public system, subject to FOIA, subject to elected officials' control, or a shoe company's management of it? I think Judge Neff will pretty quickly conclude that a public system is the only way to go here.